We're going to be renaming these expanded numerals as compact numerals, so they will look a little bit more conventional in that sense. So let's go about dealing with number one. Okay, so here's number one. This is a super expanded form because I've broken everything down into face value and place value. So probably step one is to convert these expressions into a more compact form. So we do it like this. So we've got 2 times 10 is 20. We've got 4 times 1 is 4. We've got 0 point, and then 8 times 1 is 8. And then we've got 0 0.00, and 5 times 1 is 5. Okay, so once we have these kinds of expressions of each numeral, we've got a bit of a choice. We can just add these guys up together, and as long as you put everything into the right place value, it is pretty simple to do. So let me just do that. I've got 20. Okay, and I've got 4. So 4 goes in the units digit. Remember, the decimal point would go here. So it is really important that you keep everything in their right place value. So 0.8, and then we have 0.005. And then just add these guys up. So you got 5, 0, 8, 4, 2. And that there would be the answer to number 1. So 24 point, that doesn't look very good. So let's try that again. 24.805. Okay, let's take a look at number 2. And number 2 is very similar to the first one. We have to do a little bit of simplifying first. So let's do that. 5, so it'll be 0. Let's write that down. 0 point, and then 5 times 1 is 5. Plus, we've got 0 0.0, 0 0.0, and then 3 times 1 is 3. Plus, it'll be 0 point, what is it, 0, 0, and then 9 times 1 is 9. Okay, so again, the simplest way to do that in many ways is to just get your decimal points all in a row and then put in the digits. So 5 goes here, 0, 3, and then 0, 0, 9. Add them all up, right? So 9, 3, 5 point, and there you go. That's the answer. So the answer is 0.539. Okay, and that's the compact version of number 2. Let's have a look at number 3. Okay, so this one already is a more simplified version. So all we really have to do is take these numbers and put them in columns and add them up. So first one is 80. Put my decimal point there. We've got 2. Decimal point goes there. 0.3. 0.07. And then 0.004. And you just add them up. So 473.28. That's the answer. It is 82.374. And it really is that simple.